Say goodbye to the days of sitting around at a mechanic's shop or waiting to be shuttled around while your car gets serviced. instaMek will send a certified and expert mechanic right to your home or office. This means you can be at home, watching TV, sipping coffee, or literally whatever you want to do at home, all while our mechanic services your vehicle. From oil changes to brake jobs to full-out engine repair, you'd be surprised at what our mechs can do. instaMek is the future of car repair and is here to take care of all your needs without any added cost. Our mechs work on all makes and models, from BMWs to Toyotas, and we use highest quality parts backed by our gold standard 12-month, 20,000-kilometer warranty, which is the best in the business. It's a no-brainer. On top of that, it's so easy to book. You can go online quote on our website, download our app, call us, or even text us. After we get your vehicle information, we will send our certified technician to your home to perform the service, and you'll get a report detailing the technician's work, plus a free inspection emailed directly to you. With hundreds of 5-star reviews online, what are you waiting for? Call instaMek today and use the code YTW10 to get 10% off your first service.